3D laser scanner high-precision measurement in Los Angeles. In recent years, the use of 3D laser scanners for high-precision measurement has become increasingly popular. These advanced devices offer a range of benefits, including the ability to capture detailed and accurate measurements of objects and environments. One such application of 3D laser scanners is in the field of architecture and construction, where they are used to create precise digital models of buildings and structures. This technology allows architects and engineers to visualize and analyze their designs in a virtual environment, helping them to identify potential issues and make informed decisions. In addition, 3D laser scanners are also used in industries such as manufacturing and reverse engineering, where high-accuracy measurements are crucial for quality control and product development. Los Angeles is one city where the use of 3D laser scanners for high-precision measurement is prevalent. With its vibrant architecture and construction industry, the demand for accurate measurements is high. Companies in Los Angeles are utilizing these scanners to capture detailed data of buildings, bridges, and other structures, enabling them to create accurate as-built models. This not only helps in the planning and design stages but also in the maintenance and renovation of existing structures. Moreover, 3D laser scanners are also being used in the entertainment industry in Los Angeles, where they play a critical role in creating visual effects for movies and video games. The SCON design in Bangalore is another institution that recognizes the importance of 3D laser scanners for high-precision measurement. As a renowned research and services company center, the company offers courses on 3D scanning technology and its applications. Students at the SCON design are trained on how to operate these scanners effectively, ensuring accurate measurements and data capture. The company has also partnered with industry leaders to provide hands-on services companion and research opportunities, further enhancing the knowledge and skills of its students. In conclusion, the use of 3D laser scanners for high-precision measurement is becoming increasingly widespread in various industries and institutions. Cities like Los Angeles and institutions like the SCON design in Bangalore are at the forefront of adopting this technology. With its ability to capture detailed and accurate measurements, 3D laser scanners are revolutionizing the way we design, analyze, and maintain structures. As technology continues to advance, we can expect further improvements in the capabilities of these devices, making them even more indispensable in various fields. There has been a rise in the use of 3D laser scanners for precise measurements in recent years. These cutting-edge tools have a number of advantages, including the potential to take precise measurements of things and settings. In the realm of architecture and construction, for example, 3D laser scanners are used to make highly accurate digital models of buildings and other structures. To further examine and troubleshoot their designs, architects and engineers may now do so in a virtual setting made possible by this technology. High-accuracy measurements are essential for quality control and product development in businesses like manufacturing and reverse engineering, which use 3D laser scanners. One city where 3D laser scanners are commonly used for precise measurements is Los Angeles. Accurate measurements are in high demand because of the city's thriving construction and architecture sectors. Businesses in Los Angeles are making use of these scanners to get precise as-built representations of objects like buildings and bridges. This is useful not only for new construction but also for repairing and updating older buildings. Additionally, 3D laser scanners play a vital role in the production of visual effects for movies and video games in the Los Angeles area. Another organization that understands the value of 3D laser scanners for precise measurement is the SCON design in Bangalore. The company is well known as a place of study and research, and it also provides instruction in the use of 3D scanners. The SCON design provides instruction on how to operate these scanners properly, guaranteeing precise measurements and data collection. In addition to classroom instruction, Students at the company have access to research opportunities and internships with prominent members of the industry. Finally, 3D laser scanners are being adopted by a growing number of sectors and establishments for high-precision measurement. There had been some early adopters of this technology in places like Los Angeles and at places like the SCON design in Bangalore. 3D laser scanners are changing the way buildings are planned, analyzed, and kept up with their capacity to take precise measurements. These devices are already indispensable in many different areas, and their usefulness is only expected to grow as technology develops. In recent years, 3D laser scanners have become increasingly popular for taking exact measurements. The ability to take accurate measurements with these state-of-the-art instruments is just one of their many benefits. To create precise digital models of buildings and other structures, architects and builders often employ 3D laser scanners. Because of this technology, architects and engineers can now conduct in-depth analyses and fix any issues with their designs in a digital environment. In industries such as manufacturing and reverse engineering, where 3D laser scanners are used, accurate measurements are crucial for maintaining product quality and developing new products. Accurate measurements are routinely taken with 3D laser scanners in Los Angeles. Due to the city's flourishing building and design industries, precise measurements are in high demand. In Los Angeles, businesses are using laser scanners to get accurate as-built models of structures like skyscrapers and bridges. This is helpful for both brand new construction and renovations to existing structures. In addition, Los Angeles is a major hub for the creation of visual effects in the film and gaming industries, and 3D laser scanners play a crucial role in this process. The SCON design in Bangalore is yet another group that recognizes the usefulness of 3D laser scanners for precise measurement. The company is widely recognized as a center for academic and scientific pursuits, and it also offers courses on the usage of 3D scanners. In order to ensure accurate measurements and data collection, the SCON design gives teaching on how to operate these scanners appropriately. Thanks for watching.